Welcome to question 7. Count distinct elements in every window. So by window we mean the k size. K value is 4 here and we have to make a size 4 window here. How many windows can we make like that? We can make 4 windows in total in that. So in each window we have to count how many unique values are there. And this will also called as a sliding window approach also. So 1, 2, 1, 3. How many unique elements are there? We have 3 elements. And in second box 2, 1, 3, 4 we have 4. Then we have 4 again 1, 3, 4, 2. 3, 4, 2, 3 we have 3 unique elements. So this will be our output for this question. This is the answer in theoretical way. We can say we have in each box we have these many unique elements. Okay, we have to return that output. Now coming to the coding part. Okay, in theoretical we have understood the question. Now we have to understand coding wise. In coding wise, what we will do is we will make a hash map. Okay, first step will be making a hash map till fourth value. First step for loop till kth length. Okay, so that will get us 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll have to take till this part. So this will be length 4, right? We have to take length 4 and we will iterate one by one and we will add it to a hash map. Okay, let us call that hash map as h now. Okay, and the value inside array will be key to the hash map and number of times it is occurring, that will be the value here. Okay, we will directly add the value, but you can use the for loop and add one by one. So how many times 1 is there? We have 2 times 1. How many times 2 is there? We have 2 1 time. How many times 3 is there? We have 3 1 time. So this is our hash map. This will be our first step. And also remember, while adding elements into the hash map, we will also count how many distinct elements are there. Okay, we'll also add. If the element is not repeating, the element is not repeating, then only it means some unique values are there, right? So when one is coming into the hash map at the start, okay, we will update distinct value as 1 at that time. For this one, we will get 1. And again, when 2 is joining into the hash map, again, one unique value is being appended. Again, 3 is being appended, one unique value is appended. But if already 1 is there, then we are adding. Then in that case, we will not update distinct value. Okay. Now, after adding into the hash map, we will have number of distinct elements as 3. This is the first step. Now coming to the second step, okay, this will be similar to the first one. Only difference will be this will be starting from kth length, okay, and we will represent for x in kth length to nth. Okay, in second window we have 2 1 3 4 here. Okay, now we will be checking 1th this starting value. How we will check is by taking kth value, we will compare it d x minus k. Okay, not d, this is h. H is a hash map. We will see if this index value is present inside the hash map or not, and that should be equal to 1. If it is equal to 1, we will say d minus equal to 1. Okay, we will reduce d by 1, and if only one element is there, then we can delete that particular hash map value also. We will delete that hash map value also. We have deleted it. Okay, this will be in if case. Else case will be in else case it could be more than 1. Okay, the count can be more than 1. So in that case we can only reduce the value. H minus k will be minus equal to 1. So this is the else case. And another case is also there inside the same for loop. Okay, I will write on the left side, and this will continue in the same for loop. This will continue from here after else part only. Now remember, okay, in if part again one more condition is there. If current element x is inside hash map or not. The current element will be 4 here for now. This one is present inside the hash map. No, it is not present in the hash map. So what we are going to do is we will just update the hash map. Hx will be equal to 1 here, and we will also update distinct value a plus equal to 1. Okay, we will update distinct value because it is a new element. In else case, if it is already present, then we simply update hx plus equal to 1. Okay, this is what we will do inside this loop, and in this way we will iterate all possible windows, and this is the logic behind the question. Now we have to store the elements here. Okay, in this way we are checking the elements and we are also deleting. If only one element is there, we are deleting it. If it is crossing the border, if it is crossing this index box, then also we are removing one element. Now we also have to add the element. Okay, how many distinct elements are there? So when we will add, okay, we will add after step 1 here. Okay, let us call that as a li variable. Let's call it li. Okay, this will be our list. Okay, this list will store number of unique elements. After step one is completed, li will be using to store the how many distinct elements are there. So number of elements are 3 here, we will store it. After step 2, if else cases, both of these cases have been completed, after that we will store number of unique elements. Okay, in each loop one element will be entering and one element will also be removed eventually, because in the second box the earlier element won't be there. Okay, and again for the third box this 2 won't be there, right? We have to remove one element and also add one element simultaneously. And we will append those unique values after step 1 and at the end of the step 2 also. Now once you see the code, it will be more clear. Now we are inside the coding section part of this question on distinct values in K window. Here we have taken star as a variable, and this is being used to store the distinct element values. Okay, and D is a dictionary and distinct is 0. This distinct will be used to count how many unique values are there in each window. In the first for loop, we are iterating till the k length index and we are storing those values. The element is present, then we will just update its count value. If it is not present, we'll add that into the hash map, and we will also update the distinct value here. After this whole process is complete, we'll get a how many number of unique values are there in that particular window. We have appended it, and in next for loop, we are continuing the same index from kth index to the final length of the array. While we are doing this thing, we have to ensure the k window size length is being used. For that, we are using x minus k. This will always ensure that it doesn't cross 4 length window. Okay? Always there will be 4 element in this window. So this will ensure that part ax minus k. So when you do ax minus k, it will take you to the starting window index from the left side. If it is equal to 1, then means it has only one value. We can simply say distinct value will be reduced one time and we can delete that element. So left side element gone. So now new element can come in now. So new element, if ax in D, okay. If it is there, then we'll update. If it is not there, here. New element being updated to the hash map. Now fourth value has been added. So no problem to us. We need that 4 values inside the window only. Okay. And we are counting here. If it is a new value, then distinct will be plus equal to 1. But if it already is there, that means it is distinct. It is not distinct. So distinct count won't be changed in that case. We will just simply append the value 1 because it's just repeating itself. Okay. And here also you should be careful here. If the element is not equal to 1, we are just reducing it minus equal to 1. So in this if case and else case also, we are removing one element either way, right? If it is equal to 1, we're directly saying a variable just get out of the my hash map. In else case, we're saying it is there more than 2 times, or I mean more than 1 time, then that means one element is already there inside the our window. So that is fine. So we just want outside of the window 1 to be deleted. So for that, we're saying minus equal to 1. That means one value is being reduced. That means one window space is saved. So this if else, this starting if else is ensuring that there will be only 4 elements, and we can keep track of unique number of elements in this way. And second box is saying if unique values are there, we can append the distinct value. If the unique value is not there, then we will update its count value. And finally, this star dot append, you can see we are updating the number of distinct value after each iteration of the for loop. So in each iteration of the for loop, one element will be checked in the array. Okay. So in this way, we will ensure all the elements in the k window size has been compared, and we will return the star variable at the end of the code. I hope you have understood the coding part and also the theoretical part. If you have it out, just leave a comment down below. We will be very quick to respond. And if you like the video, please give us a like and also share our video to your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching till the end. Let's meet in another question.